Hello, my good people. Welcome to another math class. Here we have this question before us here. Wow, the question is A bracket open B plus C close bracket equal to 300. Let's take that as equation 1. Okay, so let's take this as our equation 1. Then next one we have B bracket open A plus C close bracket equal to 400. Again, let's take this as equation 2. And we have C open bracket A plus B close bracket equal to 500. And so let's take this as equation 3. So we have three equations here. What is the value of A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus C to the power of 4? And this is easy, right? So before we go into today's challenge, if you're new here, remember this is Online Maths TV. And if you're not subscribed, do us that favor by subscribing. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell or button so that you get notified whenever we drop an amazing video. Because at Online Maths TV, we release wonderful video, wonderful solutions to math problems, wonderful approaches to math problems all the time. So let's go into today's challenge. So we take our solution first of all here. So we have this as a solution. Then the first thing we do here is to look at for an algebraic expression that will actually lead us to what we are asked to look for here. Now remember the algebraic expression which says that if you have your let's take our x to the power of 2 plus your y to the power of 2 plus your z to the power of 2, everything in bracket always to the power of 2. This is equal to your x to the power of 4 plus your y to the power of 4 plus your z to the power of 4, or here please, then plus the 2 into a square bracket, then bracket your x, y, plus bracket to the power of 2 plus your bracket open again, your x, z, bracket to the power of 2, then plus your bracket open, your y, z, bracket or square x. You remember this expression? Okay. Now from here, we can make this the subject of the formula. So if we go ahead to do that, this is going to give us x to the power of 4, then plus our y to the power of 4, plus our z to the power of 4, will now be equal to our bracket open x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 plus z to the power of 2 plus bracket all to the power of 2, then minus our 2 all into a square bracket or bracket open x, y all squared plus bracket x, z all squared plus bracket open y, z all squared into our square bracket. Now you remember this? Yes. So let's keep this guy aside here. So this will help us in looking for the unknown here. So what comes to mind here is this. All we just need to do is to figure out how to get our x squared, because our x here is going to be our a. How to get our y squared. And what is our y? Our y is going to be b. And get our z squared. And our z is going to be c. Right? Then we also get a factor or a measure of solving to get our ab, which is our xy. Then our AC, which is our XZ, then our BC, which is our YZ. If we can get all these quantities from here, then we can get this value here. So how do we go about this? We have to solve for what is called the solver equation. And what do we mean by solver equation? We have to add all these three equations together and see what this gives us. So you now say add all three equations together. Okay, so if we add all three equations together, it's going to give us our a bracket b plus c close bracket plus our b bracket open a plus c close bracket. Then we have plus our C close bracket A plus B plus this close bracket. Everything will now be equal to, we have 300 plus 400 plus 500. Right. So we can now open up this. So if we open up, we're going to have here A, B plus A, C plus A, B again plus B, C plus A, C plus plus BC plus BC, everything equal to, this is 700. 700 plus this will give us 1,200. Now to the left hand side of our equation, we discover that we're having AB here, we're having AB here. So this gives us 2AB, so we have 2AB. We're having AC here, we're having AC here. So we also have plus 2AC. Then we are having what again? We are having BC here, we are having BC here. So we have here plus 2BC equal to 1,200, right? 1,200. So we can add 2 from here, and 2 is divisible by this. Sorry, 1,200 is divisible by 2. So from here, we just have to divide all through by 2. Divide through by 2. So this will now end up giving, because this will go with this. So we are now left with AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 600. Let's keep this equation. This is what we call the solver equation. So let's give this equation star. So we've gotten our solver equation now. So how do we get, now again, remember we said we want to solve for x to the power of, xy to the power of 2, the xz to the power of 2, yz to the power of 2. And at the same time, get the value of each of these quantities, the variables here, which are x, y, z. In other words, A, B, C, right? So let's continue on this side and see what this gives us in turn. All right, so let's subtract equation 1 from the solver equation. So from here, we now have our solver equation first. We have our A, B plus our AC plus our BC, then minus the first equation, which is this. So let's just open up this. So this is going to give us AB. So we have minus AB minus, because the minus will multiply this plus to give us minus AC. This is equal to, we have 600 minus 300. So we have here 600 minus 300. Easy. So let's look at for the terms that we cancel out. We have our AB here, we go with our AB here. Our AC here, we go with our AC here. We are left with BC. So we have BC equal to this. From this will give us our 300. So this is the value of our AB. Let's give this as a equation star I. Remember the things we are looking for. Okay, so we got to one of them, BC. So we have to go ahead and look for our AC. Now we do same thing to this. We subtract the solver equation, which is AB, then plus our AC plus our BC minus, here this is going to give us minus AB minus BC, right? Equal to 600 minus our 400. Easy. Again, terms that we leave, we have AB, we have AB. Then we have BC, we have BC. We are left with AC. So we have AC is equal to 200. So let's roll out this again. So this is our equation star I. Easy. We do same thing for our third equation. So our solver equation again, AB plus AC plus BC minus is going to give us our AC minus our BC equal to 600 minus 500, right? Good. So we have our AB here, right? We don't have AB here, but here we have AC. AC will go with AC. BC will go with BC. So we now have our AB is equal to 100. Wow. Let's give this our equation star I. In other words, we have gotten this. The only thing to do here is just to square them, right? Then let's come to this. How do we now get our x here, y, and z? That is to say, how do we get our a, b, and c? So what we do here now, we go to pick this very one here. Okay? Then we multiply it by this, divide by this. Or we pick this, multiply by this, divide by this. By so varying them, then we're going to get our A, B, and C separately. Are we in order? Okay, so let's take the first one. So from here, we're going to say here B, C, times, let's take the first one here. So let's say times A, C, all over this very one, A, B. This will now be equal to what? What is our BC? Look at the value of our BC. We have 300 times, what is our AC? 200. All over, what is our AB? 100. Easy. Now, if you check out here, B, we go with B here. A, we go with our A here. And so we're going to have C squared. Oh, straightforward. Not even just C. So we're going to get our C squared. So end up having here C squared will now be equal to, here goes with this goes with this. So this time this will give us 600. So we have here 600. Oh, so we've gotten another quantity we're looking for. Again, let's label this as our equation star I. All right. Then we pick again. Remember, we pick the first one times the second one divided by the third one. So this time, let's take this times this divided by this. So yeah, it's going to give us our B, C times our A, B all over what? AC. AC. Everything will now be equal to, what is our BC? 300. Again, we have 300 times our AB. What is our AB? 100. Then all over, what is our AC? 200. How we learn this one here? Good. So let's check out again. This C, we go with this C. A, we go with A. Then we now have B times B, which is what? B squared will now be equal to this, we cancel this, we cancel this. Then we now have 300 all over 2. Let's keep this man here. All right. So this is our equation star I. All right. So let's continue and get the other part of it. Okay. So what will be the next step here now? It's easy. So we're going to take our AC times AB, then all over BC. Okay, so this is going to give us our AC times our AB all over our BC, which is equal to, what is our AC? It's 200 times, what is our AB? AB is 100 all over our BC, 100. Easy. So from here, we discover that B, we go with this B here. The C, we go with this C. So we are now left with, let's continue here. So this now implies our A squared will now be equal to this, go with this, go with this. So we have 200 all over 3. This is the value of our AC. Again, label this as our equation star, the I. Sorry, let's just manage the space there. Okay, so we now have our A squared, B squared, C squared. Look at our equation here. We have this already. We have this, we have this. We have this square already, this square already, this square already. So let's go and impute all these values into this expression we have here. So we can now call and say this now implies that our a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 plus c to the power of 4 will now be equal to what? So with this, let's bring the expression for this question. So this going to give us here, okay, a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus c to the power of 2 close bracket all raised to the power of 2, then minus 2 into a square bracket of our a b r squared plus our a c r squared plus our b c r squared. So this is what we have here now. All we just need to do is to put in the values, right? Good. So let's go down here now. This now equal to, what is our a squared? Our a squared is already, we have 200 all over 3, then plus, what is our b squared? Our b squared is equal to 300 all over 2. And 300 all over 2 could be written as 150 because this can divide this. So it's the same thing as 150. So we have here plus 150, right? Then we have plus, what is our c squared? We calculated our c squared to be 600. So we have here 600 close bracket all to the power of 2. Power of 2, please. Then minus our 2 into our square bracket. What is our a times b? Have we calculated our a times b, which is our ab? Yes, it is 100. So here we have here bracket 100 all to the power of 2, then plus our ac. Our ac is 200. 200 all to the power of 2, then plus, what is our bc? BC is our 300. So we have here 300 r squared. And let's close our square bracket. All right. Are we learning something? Yes, so let's continue. Then this now be equal to, here we can add up everything here and square it. Right? Good. So let's find the LCM of everything. So we have here brackets. Let's put here one division sign. Bracket. 3 into this give us our 200 will still remain here. 200 there plus, we will use this 3 to times 150, and that will give us so this is going to give us 0. 3 times 150 will give us 45. So we have here 4 plus 3 times this will give us 1800. Then all squared, right? All squared, then minus our 2 into the square of 100 will give us 10000 plus square of 200 will give us 40000 please. Then the square of 300 will give us 90000. Or we just have to manage this space here. So let's continue on this side again. Here, if we add 10,000 plus 40,000 plus 90,000, that will give us 140,000. So we have our 2 year into our 140,000 plus bracket. Okay, so we can go ahead to open up this and square this, right? So this will now give us here. If we square this, it's going to give us a bracket, our 6002500 plus bracket all over our 9. Then minus, we open up this with this, so we have 28000. Good. Now this is all over 1. So we use 9 to multiply this, okay, by finding the LCM. So we now have this to be, our LCM is 9. So we use 9 to divide it. This will give us 1 times our figure up here. We have 6. All right, is 6, please. And write it where 6 then 00250. Okay, then minus. We use 9 to multiply this. This will give us 0, 0, 0, 0. And 9 times 8, we know that will give us 72. Put that 2 here, carry 7. All right, add here. So carry 7, then use 9 to times 2. That will give us our 18 plus our 7 will give us 25. So we have 2, 5, 2, 0, 0, 0. So all we just need to do is to subtract this from this. And if we do that carefully, we're going to come up with 3, 4, 8, 2, 5, 0, 0 all over our 9. So what does that imply? It means what we are looking for here, which is our A. So we can say therefore A to the power of 4, then plus our B to the power of 4, plus our C to the power of 4 is equal to our 3, 4, 8, 2, 5, 0, 0 all over 9. Okay. This is really good. Okay. So this is the value of what I asked to look for from this math challenge. All right. So if you learned something from this video tutorial, do not hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. And you have any question with regards to this approach I apply in solving this challenge, leave it in the comment section. You are not clear in any of the steps I apply here, then watch the video over and over again. Then if you are so convinced that there is a mistake in one of the steps, then drop it in the comment section so that we can equally make amendments. You have a better way of solving this challenge, conserving time and space. Drop it in the comment section so that Online Maths TV can equally learn from you as one of the best brains. Thank you for watching Online Maths TV. Remember, we love you and we keep loving you to the end of time. But until we meet you in our next class, do not stop winning. Bye.